When I clap for me, and I'm from Canada, I come. Kind of foul. A fat die. And this is the one I clap because I have a reason for saying that. There's one thing about being a comedian and being an MC. It's a different thing. Somebody call me for a job. The way dollar scarce now. Any job na job. Jay, are you free? I say yes, sir. Cool. Please come down to Zamfara. I don't even ask waiting with the program. I just go Zamfara. I crack 2 jokes. People they laugh, nobody they clap. Put your hands together for yourself, nobody they clap. Everybody lock up. Put your hands, they lock up. And I call the event, I say, okay, nobody is clapping. He say, I forget to tell you, if people you are communicating with, wallahi, these people are Sharia affected people. Wallahi, as I'm talking to you now, they don't have hands. Come on, just crack your joke, go on. So if I don't crack joke, they won't clap, they will not like that. Nigeria, man, forget. I'm not tired. I'm not going to talk. I'm not tired for this country. How much we dollar today? 400 and what? When I don't say even Buhari, don't forget saying promise us to go carry dollar go on era. The man not old. He can't come for interview. The interview. I said, Your Excellency, you said he will change dollar from 180 to 1 naira. He said, hey, I said that. They said, yes, sir. He said, hey, well, I forget it, man. What I said is I'm going to change dollar from 100 to 1,000 naira. He said, yeah? He said, that is what I said, man. I said I will reduce Boko Haram and increase dollar. Which one do you prefer? I love travel. Serious, I love North. North is very cheap. Everything in North is cheap. Girls in North, cheap and lovely. But only outside there you go tell them, see I'm the worker, say, I just like you. She go say, Allah, go K. What is Lagos girl? Triumph. Don't tell them, babe, you looking good. Now someone at the talk. I love, not only come in the state where you go, with 200 naira, you go prove pay. That, you get one trip. We did a show in Abuja last year. When I finished the show, I walk and say, Jay, what's up now? I want to come down to Kano. I want to see Kano. I say, where you come? We there my house. Day 1, day 2, day 3. We know come out. And they get that. He said, Jay, take me out now. I'm bored. I beg. Where did the carry person go for Kano? So I took her to the zoo. With them zoo, they watch animal. They come out. Zoo, animal. This one, lion, come out. They say, oh my God, I love lions. We say, okay. Zebra, come. Oh my God, this is zebra. Over package, you don't kill them for Abuja there. We they watch animals, see where crocodile, come out. They say, oh my God. I said, what is this? Look at this. Lacoste. I said, your father. Let me say, if you see horse, you're going to Ralph Lauren. For when they watch match, now if 4 people decide they won't fight during election, we can't do hot that period. They decide they won't fight. Before you know what to happen, Mobo, soldier, everybody gather. Man, what did they happen? Make it one is this one, yeah, this one slap back home. They say, okay, all of you, frog jump. Some say, okay, well, I'm not going to frog. All of them wear jersey. They wear jersey. Mobo say no problem. Back home, if you are not going to do this frog jump, I will flog you based on the number you have in your back. The Zaba. Say no problem. Okay, Chelsea, turn your back. Begasa. When the guy come back, Fabregas. So just say, wow, pia. 4. The guy go. Hey, Madrid, come here. Begasa. The guy say, I need a Madrid name. I wear Cristiano Ronaldo. How many? 7. Pia. He go. Hey, one here, Barcelona. Begasa say, I love Messi. Begasa, number 10. The flogger, pia. One guy where Nigerian just sit down, they cry from far. Hey, come here. I said, come here. Juya, Begasa. The guy they cry badly. Next, Juya, soldier, crack. Juya. when the guy turned, the guy will say one in 2015. It doesn't work. You get me rich for can when someone not a quarrel again. If you just find your neighbor problem, okay? You are talking to me, boy. Wait, I will come. Boom. And they go different kind of places and the cities. Not only for Lagos here, Port Harcourt, all this East Owerri. I would see the pastor they preach. They go Boko Haram anyhow. For Kano and Barcelona we record them. You know if you go Boko Haram anyhow. You will see the pastor they preach. They pray. Pray against Boko Haram. You need to pray. They are killing our brother. Pray against Boko Haram. You know, say the God who is Psalm, a very wonderful God. 2 months later, and they transfer the pastor from Kano. The next Sunday, they attack for St. Charles Church. When I hear them, serious bomb will kill people. Who are pastor never ever hear bomb before. And for news they hear them. See in church, see the other church. Who are? So after the guy here gone, bomb with gun. Say, the next Sunday reach, when the man won't preach, he console himself. Brother, I have sinned. Now I am here. I am sick. Pray. Stand up, everybody. Pray against. People just say, Pastor, we know they hear you. They say, hey, stand up and pray against. They say, Pastor, we know they hear you. I'm Pastor Provoke.